Hi.
Hello, guys.
So we're at home today. We're on our week off. We did post a video from our time at Punch Bar from the last time we were off. Then we worked a week and got lost in the sauce of that.
Yeah.
But we're back. We're home. We're going to show you. So I kind of talked a little bit about how we did the Biddibi box, like the Disney subscription box. So we get that one time a month. We showed you the breakdown before, and I can post that video link down below with all the different subscription box options that they have. So they have Disney, Marvel, Harry Potter, etc. And then within those different categories, they have different price breakdowns depending on what you want to spend a month. So we get the Imagination box. It's $99 plus shipping a month, and you get 3 to 5 items depending on the price of those items inside. So we've been bad about showing you. I have 3 months saved up of the different boxes that we got. So
let's hop into those boxes and see what's even going on, right?
Okay, here are the boxes. As you can see, we have squares and little rectangles and big rectangles. It all depends on what they're able to shove into these boxes. So every box comes like this. Inside it's got the little packing slip. So this one is everybody's got a laughing place. And then it's got your packing slip to show the price breakdown and which items you got. Okay, so I'd previously shown you the January box. Again, I said I'll link that link down below. But this is the February box. So what do we have inside? Again, here's our packing slip, Farm Fresh with Mickey in a truck. Everything comes in these fancy Bibbidi drawstring bags. So the creme de la creme for February was this awesome Disney Princess Loungefly. So you can see all the Disney Loungefly emblem here, and then all the different flowers with the different Disney princesses. So you can see the little Lily with Tiana, Sleeping Beauty and her flowers. Here's Tangled with Princess Aurora. You got some purples in there. Ariel, you have a hibiscus. And then even on the inside, the design has all the different princesses inside. I absolutely love this bag. It's super cute.
Nani, you coming to help? Okay, bye.
So I also got this Ohana bracelet. It's a rose gold and it says Ohana on it. I've been wearing it at work and you can kind of see the wear and tear. I'm a little sad that it's already gotten scuffed up a little bit, but I love this bangle. It's got the partially open back so you can fit your wrist in there. I will say if you do not have tiny wrists, this is a pain in the tuchus to get on and off. And even my wrists, I don't think are big or small, but I'm like dragging it off and scraping my skin on it. It's pretty though. It came in this fancy Lillian & Co. box. It came with the bag and the box. It even has a saying inside about Ohana means family.
Aww.
And then another thing we got this time. So this Magical Mystery Pins. It's a Disney Park exclusive. All of them must have been different roller skates. And this one is the White Rabbit with his stopwatch, or what is it?
It's a pocket watch.
Pocket watch. Words are hard. He's late for a very important date, so it's a good thing he's got his roller skates. So for March, there were some of the Disney things I didn't like on the wish list options. So I added some other kind of Disney. Some was Disney, some wasn't. And this is what I ended up getting for March. So for David, I always feel bad that a lot of the things are focused toward me. So I picked up the Statler and Waldorf Trolling Since 76. And
it's super great.
Yeah.
I love the Muppets very much. And I saw this and it made me giggle.
Yeah.
I shall wear it.
We also got the Funko Pop Barley Lightfoot from
Onward.
David's favorite.
One of my favorite Disney movies, so hear he, hear he.
Hear he, hear he. And then this doesn't look very Disney-y. There's a castle.
A castle.
But look at Hedwig. I was super excited to get some Harry Potter because we want to go to Universal, you know what I mean? Mm. Like, David's never been to Universal to be at all, but never been to Harry Potter World. I haven't been since they added the new Hagrid ride, so I'm excited to go, but now I get to wear this baby while I'm there.
Let's go.
And inside, look at all the little owls and the clouds. It's beautiful. And even on the back, like, I don't know if you could get this view. Hogwarts School of Witchcraft and Wizardry. Yeah. Even on the back, it's got a lot of detail. So this was a good one. How adorable is this?
Look at him.
Look at home. He's ready to do his hula dance. He's so fancy. I love Lilo and Stitch. David has his Disney favorites. I have my Disney favorites. I have a Stitch tattoo on my back. I love Stitch. So this one was awesome. Again, I added it to my wish list because I saw it and thought I was cute. But you don't know which items that you put on there that you might possibly get. So I was excited when this one was the one that came in the mail. And then this month only had 2 in it, but the pin sets, as you guys know probably from going to the parks, even a single pin, depending on the color scheme on that pin, can run you like $9.99 or more. So this pin set was valued at like $32.99. So between $80, $32.99. If you're paying $199 for the box plus shipping, it's a pretty good deal. Baby Marie. Alright, so those were the 3 boxes.
Wow, right?
Yeah, there was quite a bit of... I mean, I had set it up. You can also set up with your preferences whether you want, like, more items or you're okay with having less items if they're more expensive. So I set it up that I was okay getting less items if they had a higher price tag, which is why I keep getting Loungeflies. I'm okay with that, but I think on future boxes I may set it up differently. You can always go in and change your preferences. So I think just to kind of see what we get, and I can only wear 1 Loungefly at a time.
Yeah.
I guess I can wear one on the front.
Yeah.
I can stick you in one. But...
me in a Loungefly would be so tiny.
That's okay. That was your camera bag.
Yeah.
But I think we may mix it up on the next one and see if we can get less things. I will also say, so like, for example, the Stitch in the hula skirt and then the cat pins. I think Stitch was valued at $80 for that Loungefly, and then the pins were like $32. Because I'm an annual pass holder, if I'm going into the park to buy different things like that.
Merchandise.
Yeah, you're going to get the annual pass holder discount. So if I was to just go buy those things, and I'm not quite sure if that hula dancer Stitch is something you can find in the park or if it's like maybe a Hot Topic exclusive or something like that, where I may be able to get discounts on it. I could probably find the items cheaper elsewhere, so I don't know longevity wise how many more months I'm going to keep doing this. For now it's fun, but I think eventually we'll see a point where, I don't know, financially, well yeah, 1, we don't need the stuff, but 2, financially it maybe might not make sense compared to us just going and buying the things and bringing them back home. So we'll see, but for now, cute stuff.
Cute stuff. So I think that's it for boxes.
Yeah, we have some other fun things coming your way, some home vlogs, maybe a trip?
Oh, we'll have to see. Keep watching. Bye.